Boy, out of here.
Say your name again.
My name's Julian. I'm about to rock him out of here.
Yeah, he's gonna rock him. What's your name?
My name is Manny. Jeez.
You didn't know? Bro, follow me on Instagram, LilJuice23 _ actually. LilJuice_23. Instagram name.
Damn.
It might got an MJ at the end, but it got Lil Yachty on that joint. But I'm about to follow you, boy, real quick. We're gonna go up to 11. No, 10.
Manny.
All one.
It's gonna be all 1, 2, 2.
It's a crappy court, isn't it?
Yeah, it is crappy court. Look. Manny miss. Oh. Out on you, Julian.
I hate you. Go, it's your ball. Come on, go. Go 60 yards, brother.
Can I hold the phone?
Cracked up. You got nowhere to go. You cracked up.
Manny good at basketball because he play at home.
Run it up. Hey, hurry up and shoot. Up and down.
Up and down. It's up and down. They ain't count. That shot didn't count. Check it up.
Come on, bro.
Respect the line.
Come on, bro. Curry.
He bounced out the rim. Yeah. He gonna shoot. He missed. You keep missing.
Double.
It's a double. Seen that?
Oh, it's called a gecko. It's called gecko. Is it your Clarius? Gecko.
Oh, that little thing from
Curry range. Yo, he keep missing. It's still 0-0. It's still 0-0.
Stop picking it up.
It's a double again. Check it up, Manny. It's 0-0 still. See?
Go!
He makes it. It's 1-0. We're doing about one. We're doing about 1 and 2.
What time is it?
It's 3 minutes.
Hurry up. Come on, stop wasting the time.
Air ball city. Julian made it. 2-0. That's you.
You ain't got to fight, bro. You ain't got to
I
fight.
can call him Little Jules.
Hurry up.
You can't beat.
No defense.
That's
No
what I say right there.
Focus.
He missed. That's double.
Stop picking it up. You're not supposed to pick it up. Once you got it in the air.
Julian. Jules. Jules.
No defense. No defense.
He calling top Antoine.
Stop, Fidel. Move.
Look at Lugo.
Video. You're ruining it.
Julian,
I have to block you out.
it's 4 minutes and 5 seconds. It bounced out. Oh, that's standard.
Manny, don't pick it up.
Which is like cool, but it's not. He missed. It's still 0-3, right? It's 0-3 or 2. 0-4.
Yeah, 4.
It's 0-4. Because the 3s is 2s.
How many seconds?
4 minutes and 31 seconds.
Hurry.
This round, 30 seconds left.
Game point, yo.
Game point. It's 4-0.
Let's go. Go, no.
50 seconds.
No, let's go.
You got the rebound. Shoot. That game.